In this video, I'm going to be unboxing my new setup. This includes my new laptop and my new microphone. In the laptop, we have the Dell Vosotro. It has 8 GB RAM and the NVIDIA MX 550 with 2 GB of VRAM. I'm very professional, guys. So we have some nice packaging and the laptop. So it's a black color. It has a nice finish. It's very textured. It has, as you can see, there's like lots of like little dots. And let's flip it around and open it. The 15.6-inch screen. It has a numpad, and as you can see, it has both the NVIDIA and Intel stickers. It has the Intel Core i5, and we have some papers, and we have the charger is in a separate compartment. So we have a standard charger. And that's all in the box. Now it's time to unbox the microphone. So as you can see, this microphone looks quite professional. How do you open this, guys? This is quite confusing packaging. It's not RealJop safe. It has lots of specifications. It is a USB microphone, so it's not a headphone jack. And as you can see, it's the microphone. We have the cables here. I think this might be upside down. So yeah, it's a standing microphone. It has lots of buttons and knobs on the side. Whoa, that just flew. It went in the air. It's like an airplane. As you can see, you can adjust the volume and the echo, and you can also mute with a button instead of having to use software. And there's a manual inside. It says it's a live microphone. So it's the JerryRigEverything MKBHD. So we also have 2 bags. My team said that there is a mouse in one of them. So, yep, and a mouse pad, which is black. So it's just a normal mouse pad. As well as this wireless mouse. It clicks very nice. It's a USB mouse. I also cannot figure out how to open this. So this is also not very friendly packaging, or maybe I'm just not very good at opening packages. Ooh, I think I found it. I hope that's how you open it. It includes batteries. That's very good. We don't have to spend more money. Oh, there's a hole here, but I think that's just for clicking. I think we figured it out, maybe. No, we didn't. Wow, I figured it out all on my own, with no help whatsoever. It's quite a big mouse, but I like it. It has little grip places. And the USB. So it's a Meteon MTR560. So I think I'm going to be choosing this one, because this bag, because it has a nicer color, and this seems to be more for like putting on your back. With this you can just hold, and you can even like put the little handles inside here. You can just put it in your bag. Let's see if the laptop actually fits inside of the bag. And it does! Wow, perfect match! Wow! The screen is quite bright. Time to connect the mouse. This is the new mouse. I'm just using my old mouse, because I already have this one. And it still works. Time to connect the microphone. Hello, hello, hello. Why does the voice recorder need Wi-Fi? Why does it need an update? It's just recording your voice. This is quite strange. So, as you can see, we've set up the microphone and it sounds really good. And that's all I have to say for now. So, until next time, I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.